What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to 909 Adventures. We're back here at Rock-a-hoola Waterpark. I think this is my 4th time here. You know, it's not every day you guys get to come and see an abandoned water park. It's also not every day that you get to go to the water park with Scott on tape.
What's up, everybody? How you doing?
So hopefully you guys will like this video.
I'm loving this place already. It's amazing.
It is awesome, right? I mean, there's not crazy. One spot that has original paint. It's all tagged up.
Yeah. It's all exposed. Wow.
Yeah, I mean,
fiberglass everywhere.
Check it out, guys. So, if you guys like this video, you can start by leaving me a like down below, comment, and
subscribe.
Subscribe. And I'm going to leave a link to Scott's channel. Let him know that I had sent you guys to check out his channel. Let's get started.
I know it's very
Wearing
hot.
a sweater. It was 93 degrees when we pulled up.
I just wanted to wear a hoodie for this.
We actually found one of our stickers. Yep. Okay, so this closed in 2004. No, actually, I'm sorry. It closed in 2001. Officially closed, not coming back in 2004. What had happened was there was an employee after hours that slid down a slide with no water in the pool. He fell, obviously, out of the slide into an empty pool. Became paralyzed. I sued the water park, and they had no funding to come back and reopen.
So this park would have been open to anybody. You don't have to pay to get into this park.
I'm assuming maybe right up here was like where they would take the. Yeah, you know what? You're right.
But they always do that at amusement parks. They give you a little teaser.
Yeah.
They want you to buy stuff even if you don't come.
Yeah.
You can't afford to get to the water park, but you still afford to buy it.
Yeah, you know what? You're right because they take the tickets right up there.
Yeah.
And that's the famous sign that everybody poses in front of for Instagram. Yeah. They're bathrooms.
Everything is tagged.
Everything.
Yeah.
Over tagged.
Are you kidding me? What's going on down this hall?
I'm assuming it's like a service.
What?
I like the plumbing.
So
The bathroom.
Oh, it's crazy. Okay, Brent, you go first?
No.
I'll go.
Oh man, I am getting the contact high in here.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow.
They must have sprayed.
Yeah, it's fresh.
Hey, I think last time we came, at least one of the stalls was filled up.
And yeah, you know, I think they just all did this, right?
Yeah.
So a toilet sitting there. Yeah, because this wasn't.
Oh, there's toilets.
Yeah.
Why am I so excited?
I don't know.
But still, like, look, that's weird.
You know, I think it's kind of funny to just see something that is kind of still in its original spot.
I was just about to say, think about how many people had fun here. I don't mean actually in the bathroom, I'm sure they did, but at this park, and look at it now.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sure some people had,
I mean,
I was alive, family.
childhood memories.
Everybody's watching this video, write in the comments below, like, if you ever been to rock-a-hoola when it was rocking. If the stall door's rocking, do not come knocking.
Yeah, definitely.
The women's bathroom, surprisingly, of course, is cleaner. What's
Look
that
at that's kind of creepy. It's just some like trees.
Yeah, what's that?
What kind of trees? I don't know.
See, even the women's bathroom in a dilapidated place is cleaner than the men's bathroom. Never fails.
Wow, guys, this is kind of. Look, this is a little creepy. They got like a little portrait studio set up here.
People obviously have come in here and done some crazy. People, I'm surprised there's not people living here, but yeah, they've done some sort of like a TV set.
Yeah, I mean, check this out, guys.
This looks like a TV set.
Yeah, some type of set. That's crazy. It's always a TV, guys. Always TVs, couches, and boats. Let's see if we can find a couch and a boat now. So if you guys recall my last video, I'll leave a link to it here. I put one of my 909 Adventure stickers right here, and it's gone. It punched a hole in the wall. Or it exploded, one of the two. Man, this place is just becoming more and more thrashed every time we're here, guys. Dang, I don't remember that being there.
Hey guys, what are you doing today?
Oh, you know, just kind of hanging out.
Yeah. You want to drive 100 miles north and just so we can ready to put my deck on a wall?
Sounds good.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Seems to be what people do here.
Yeah.
There's not as many penises as I was expecting for a graffiti place. I was within
A lot
one.
of your mom.
A lot of your mama, yeah.
Yeah.
But there's the last place I filmed, which was full of graffiti. Now, was it for Deadpool or some filming? I can't remember. It was just penis. There's no originality. This one is much more.
Yeah, I don't know why. It always amazes me. Every time I come here, it's worse and worse. You think it couldn't get worse?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. That is incredible work. To be able to do it on.
Yeah, they must have been maybe somebody did that on purpose.
That wasn't all in there.
No, that's just somebody splattering paint.
No, look at the wood.
Oh yeah,
What?
Charcoal.
there's some charred piece of wood in there. This, yeah, probably.
Plastic's up.
Yep. Wonder if they just tossed it in here because it doesn't look like anything burned in here. There's like no soot or anything on the roof.
Look at
What are we looking at?
Oh, boobs.
No,
Boobs with no head.
you know, I'm gonna say that's probably like they were starting to draw a fly or
Let's play
something.
boobs or balls. I think boobs.
I say boobs.
Or two pairs.
Or two cherries.
Two cherries that are yellow. Yellow cherries. They exist.
Yeah, they do.
Snail eyes.
Snail eyes.
Bug eyes.
An alien. Alien with two antennae.
Yep.
And where's the head?
An insect.
What's that? Boobs.
Yes.
Those kings.
We all agree.
It's actually not too bad of a piece on this door. Check that out.
What's it say though? I got the first word.
There's a little bit of profanity in it
Where?
on this door.
The eyes are pretty.
Oh, F-U. I guess this is the entrance to the club, F-U.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
No, a chick must have had to have done that.
That's exactly the amount of energy I have.
And that's where we're at. We're just up there. Right up there.
That's where we came from. As Jeff was just saying.
And if you guys can tell, there's no rails going on those stairs whatsoever.
We walked up that.
And it's at least blowing 15 to 20 miles an hour. All right, guys, that's going to just about do it for this episode. I just want to take a second and apologize for all the wind noise in the background. I know it's not the best video as far as audio goes, but we had a blast filming this. I had a blast editing it. And me and Britt were just hanging out with Scott from Scott on Tape. We've been talking to Scott for a while, and we've been hoping for him to get down here in the States so we can do this, and we were finally able to do it. So go over to Scott's channel. Link is in the description. Let him know 909 from 909 Adventures had sent you guys. And just say hi. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Also subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any adventures like this. We've been doing some collaborations lately, and I think you guys are going to like them. Thanks for watching, everybody.